Hey, it's Shane Nicholson and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, this video is all about an invitation to you guys. Now, as a loyal YouTube follower, subscriber, watcher, whatever it is that you do, we are going to be putting on a live training on all the property strategies that we use to build our wealth and also that you can use to build your wealth. Now, we are experienced trainers. In case you didn't know, I actually run a training business. I've been a business coach, a mentor now for around 10 years. So we know exactly what to do when it comes to training. And I want to invite you to join us on the training. Now, dates are to be confirmed, venues to be confirmed. But as a YouTube subscriber, I want to get you on the priority list so you know before everybody else how to get your free ticket to this event. So in the description, I'm going to put a link. All you need to do very easily is click on the link, fill in your details. Then as soon as the tickets go online, you will get pinged and you will get notified of how to get your free ticket to this one-day training in London. Now, already about 100 people have registered their interest. They've told us that they're going to be interested. We're probably going to look for a room that holds around 50 people. We don't want to go too big because I want to actually get to know you guys and find out all about what your journey is like and what you need help with. So do quickly fill in your details in that box now. And then as soon as all the details are live, you will get access to that. Now, if the tickets all go from the priority list, then we will not be putting it out to our main email list. We will not be advertising it on Eventbrite or anything like that. So if you really want to make sure you get a ticket, I do expect this to literally not sell out because it's a free ticket, but I do expect it to fill up very, very quickly. Book your place now. That's what I have to say in this video. Do like this video, guys. Do comment that you're coming because that will just help more people see this video on YouTube. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe and hit the bell and go and check out my other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.